Scientists reveal the secret to a long, healthy life for your beloved pup. Have you ever found yourself worried about your dog's health and vitality, feeling that despite your best efforts, he still doesn't regain his energy and joy in life? If the answer is yes, know that you are not alone, and more importantly, it is not your fault. According to renowned scientists at the University of Missouri, most commercially available dog foods, even those from well-known and highly priced brands, are full of hidden hormones and harmful chemicals. These artificial ingredients can cause silent weight gain and compromise your best friend's overall health. But there is good news. An innovative formula called UltraK9 Pro is revolutionizing the way we care for our dogs. Unlike anything ever offered, this supplement is helping dogs of all ages regain their vitality and energy, promoting better digestion, glowing skin, and impeccable overall health. What makes the UltraK9 Pro different? Inside every drop of this magical formula is a spectrum of carefully selected primeval nutrients. These nutrients have the power to transform your dog's health, returning him to the strong, healthy, and energetic state that, deep down, he always had. These special components help eliminate excess weight accumulated in your dog's body, something that often goes unnoticed but can be devastating. Furthermore, UltraK9 Pro acts directly to strengthen vital organs, such as the liver, kidneys, and thyroid, combating toxins, preservatives, allergenic grains, and other harmful substances present in most commercial dog foods. The proven benefits of UltraK9 Pro. Imagine your dog back to running and playing like we used to, getting rid of joint pain and inflammation, with calm digestion without discomfort or suffering, gaining more years of healthy and happy life by your side. With the UltraK9 Pro, all of this is possible. This exclusive and the secret is in the ingredients. UltraK9 Pro is made up of an exclusive blend of 9 premium nutrients, created especially to fully support your dog's health. These ingredients not only eliminate toxins from the body, but also help combat the harmful effects of GMOs, preservatives, and other chemicals that harm canine health. If you want to see your dog healthier, more active, and with extra years of happiness by their side, the UltraK9 Pro is the solution you've been waiting for. Guarantee your best friend's healthy future right now. Access the official link and discover how to transform your dog's life today. Want to know more? Access the link in the first comment and discover all the details.